This short video is about the database activity. The database allows teachers or students to build a searchable bank of record entries about a topic. Data types can include images, files, URLs, numbers, text, and more. The first step, as with all Moodle activities, is to select Database from the Add an Activity menu and give the database a name and a description. We'll call ours Team GB Olympic Athletes. There are a number of settings that you can adjust, as with all activities. We can come back and edit these later on to save time now. So I'll just save and display. Next, we need to define the fields which will be used in the database, and to do this you just select from this drop down menu. The first field we'll have a text field, and we'll call this athlete's name. Next we'll have a date field, and this one we'll use for date of birth. Thirdly, we'll have a picture field, which we'll use for a photo. And lastly, we'll choose a menu field. This will create a drop-down menu, and in this we'll paste in the Olympic sports, and then people will be able to choose the relevant sport from a drop-down menu. So I've got a text file here. If I copy that and paste that in, and then add that field. So here we've got our 4 fields. Next we need to save, and then choose a template, and the templates control how the database is presented. So here we can see the suggested template. We'll leave this template as it is. We'll just add some spaces to space it out a bit. And save. Now we're ready to add our first entry. So for the first entry we'll put the name Rebecca Adlington. The date of birth, which I'm not sure of, but we'll make it up. A picture, which I've saved already. So if I browse to my desktop, here we've got a picture of Rebecca, and the sport is aquatics. So we'll save and view that. And there's our first entry added. And now, if we want, we're ready to add another in the same way. Students or teachers can add entries to a database in exactly the same way. The database is also searchable. Once you've added a few entries, you can search it, and it's a very powerful tool for creating a customized collection of data.